Hello friends, welcome back. We are doing problems from probability. We are currently doing problem 10b from RE 2000 RE 109 CC set, and this is the last problem from Group B. So we have been repeating time and again that these Group B problems contain are worth 2 marks, and these type of problems only require writing down the formula and substituting the values. So even if they are from geometry, we have to write down the theorem, or we have to apply the theorem and find the values. And like we did in problem 10a, even for the probability, what we did was, we used the formula for the compound probability, or formula for the finding union of the probability, right? And we simply substituted the values. So that is how we get 2 marks. And so if you want to see in details, so I have break down, so some of these steps, and in some of the problems I have also given where you will get the 1 mark. So you can search for those videos from 2074 RE109 CC set, especially the problems from Group B. And yes, let's read this problem. Let's try to do it. So there are 20 toys of same shape and size in a box, and what we need to find here is so the probabilities of all possible outcomes in a tree diagram. So we don't need to find anything, we just have to draw the tree diagram. So let's do it. Solution. So there are total 20 toys, right, of the same shape and size. That means everything is same, otherwise it will not be a fair distribution of data. And out of them 12 are red color and remaining are blue. So we need to make one box here, and here 12 are red and 8 are blue, so total 20. If two toys are drawn randomly in succession without replacement, means one toy is drawn and it is kept somewhere else, not back in that box. Okay, so if one toy is drawn, then the total number of toys left in the original box will be 19, because one is already taken out, right? So let's see first drawn. In first drawn, if we draw from red, right, so the probability of red, so we have total 20 toys and we have 12 red toys. So the chances of drawing red toys is 12 by 20, right? So we can draw, we have 12 different options out of 20 options, and these 12 options are for red. That's why the probability of finding the red in the first drawn is 12 by 20. But if we drew the blue one in the first drawn, so the probability of blue will be equal to 8 by 20. The same reasoning, just like that, because we have 8 different options to draw for the blue one, right? Because there are 8 different options available, and so we are only getting this blue toy if we draw out from these 8, so 8 upon 20, and if we add these two, it should make 20 out of 20. So that we can just find the values from there. And this is for the first drawn. We have to draw it second time because we are drawing two toys, right? So at first we can draw red or blue, but now in second case the same thing occurs. So after drawing red for the first one, we can still draw red the second time, right? And in this case, so be very careful, since this is the case where red was drawn for the first time. So the number of red left after first drawing is 11, because red has been drawn at the first time also. So we have 11 options left for the red one, and the total toys left are 19, because we did not replace the ball that was already drawn, right? And we can also draw red at first, then blue at second. So probability of drawing blue after drawing red, that is in this case. So in this case, what happens is we drew red ball at first. So the number of blue ball is 8. It has not decreased, right? Because we did not draw the blue ball at first. So we still have 8 options left for the blue ball. But the total number of toys inside that box has decreased to 19. So it will be 8 upon 19. Similar case in this one. All right, we can draw blue ball at first, and second, at second drawn we can draw either red, right, probability of red, or probability of blue. So if we draw a blue ball at first, the number of red ball remains same. So there were 20 balls or 20 toys at first, and at first installment we drew blue ball. That means there will be 7 blue ball left and 12 red ball left. So the number of red ball remains same, and the total number of toys left is 19. So in case of red ball, so we have 12 options from 19 total options, and for blue ball we have 7 options left because one was already drawn, and total option left is 19, right? So if we add these two, it will also give 1 or 19 out of 19. So that's it. This is our answer. This is how we draw the tree diagram. We can keep these values in a box, or we can leave it as it is, just wide open. It doesn't matter. All right, that's it. Good luck.